Hello everyone, this is Bryan at Big Apple School. Welcome to today's series about confusing words in English. So we're going to talk about some words that you may or may not be familiar with that are commonly mistaken for each other. So first we're going to start with the words fun and funny. All right, so fun, like excitement. Right? A great time. We're having fun. Right? Class is fun. We enjoy parties, going out with our friends, bowling, these things. They're a lot of fun. Right? So we have fun with each other. And so that's what fun is. Right? Excitement, enjoyment, a good time. Then we have funny. Haha, comedy. Right? Things that are hilarious. Things that we laugh at. Somebody does something that's silly, right? They hit themselves in the face with a pie, okay? Or they do something like they fall down on purpose, or even on accident sometimes, right? It can be funny. Your friend falls down. Oh, look at Jimmy, he fell down. That's kind of funny, right? He's a silly guy, all right? So fun, excitement, enjoyment. Funny, oh, look at that. That's hilarious, right? That's a funny thing. Over here, we have two other words that are confused. Principal, right? And a principal is somebody who is in charge of a school, the director of a school, kind of like the CEO or manager, right? So principal. And in English, the way to distinguish this from the other word, which is principal as well, is that this word, principal, has the word pal in it, right? Kind of like a friend. Even though the director of the school is not necessarily your friend, right? They're more or less a friendlier person than just a general employee. Normally they want to have a relationship with students, teachers, all staff members, right? The principal is the pal, right? Whereas a principle is an idea. So many times your principal will have principles, right? Ideas, things they believe education should be. Education should be fun. Sometimes the teacher in education should be funny, right? And these are things, these are principles that principals believe in many times, right? So there's some more distinguishing characteristics and words, all right? Now we'll come to some other words, right? Cereal, all right? Many of us in the morning, we wake up and we eat cereal, all right? Cereal, like cornflakes. Maybe you eat Nesquik, all right? There are things that you eat normally with milk. Sometimes you eat it dry, right? In the U.S., when I was a child, I remember eating cereal dry sometimes. You put it in a bag, you eat it on the go. It's a great snack, right? So we have cereal. Then we have another word, cereal, okay? Now this word is commonly confused in Russia that I hear between this word cereal and this word series. All right? Now, series and cereal are confused, okay? And cereal are homonyms. They sound the same, okay? So cereal, you eat it, great. This kind of cereal, like a murderer, right? Someone who is doing crime and just can't stop. Okay, so serial, evil person, right? And sometimes you hear jokes in English. I'm a serial killer because I eat a lot of cereal, right? A serial killer spelled this way. Okay, so you'll see shirts like that. You may hear it on comedy shows, or even a stand-up comic will say these kind of things just to be funny, right? Okay, so cereal, crime, okay, cereal, food. And then we have over here series. Like their very popular series that just recently ended. Maybe you caught the ending, maybe you didn't. I heard it was disappointing. I didn't see it myself. But series is like a book or a movie or a TV show that lasts for many seasons or for multiple parts, right? So Game of Thrones, a very well-known series, also a book series, okay? You could talk about The Avengers was a very popular series that the Marvel Universe released, okay? So series is talking about a sequence, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, a series of numbers, a series of shows, movies, books. Okay, so we've already talked about a few things that are confusing words. Now we're going to end with our last two confusing words. Surprising. Oh, what a great present. I'm so surprised that you bought me a car. Thank you very much. What a wonderful surprise. And then you have shocking. What? I'm so shocked that happened, right? And shocking normally is not a positive thing. Maybe you were shocked by the ending of the series to Game of Thrones. Maybe you were surprised. Whoa, I can't believe that happened. It was really amazing that this person and this other person did these great things. Like I said, I didn't see it, so I can't elaborate, and I don't want to include any spoilers for those of you that didn't see it either. Okay? So sometimes series are surprising, sometimes shocking. Ooh, I don't know if I like that. That probably wasn't the way I would have done those things. Okay? So we've talked about a number of words today that are confusing, right? Fun, excitement. Funny, oh, that's hilarious. Cereal, that's delicious. Cereal, oh, that hurts. Series, right? A sequence, okay? Game of Thrones with a series. Principal, your friend at school who has principles, ideas, and themes. Thanks again for joining us today at Big Apple School. Have a great day with English.